Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is the third part of chapter electricity. Today we will do some numerical problems. The first question is that 100 joule of heat is produced each second by a bulb whose resistance is 4 ohm. Find the potential difference across resistance. हमें क्या कहेगा, एक बल्ब दिया हुआ है और उस बल्ब में 100 जूल्स ऑफ हीट क्या हो रही है, प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. 100 joule of heat is produced each second by a bulb of whose resistance is 4 ohm. Find the potential difference across the resistance. Solution. We know the formula of heat is H is equal to I square RT. तो T हमें पता दिया हुआ 1 सेकेंड दिया हुआ है, रेजिस्टेंस इज 4 ओम एंड हीट इज 100 जूल. सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ से I निकाल लेंगे और ओहम्स लॉ क्या होता है, V इक्वल टू आई आर. उससे हम क्या निकाल लेंगे, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द करंट. वी हैव गिवन 100, I स्क्वायर, R की वैल्यू हमें 4 दी हुई है और टाइम क्या दी है, 1 सेकेंड. So I square comes out to be 25. So taking under root, so current comes out to be 5 ampere. So from Ohm's law we can find the potential difference across the resistance. Now current has 5 ampere and resistance is 4 ohm. So this potential difference comes out to be 5 into 4 is equal to 20 volts. This is the potential difference across the resistance. So what we do, we have find the current through the Joule's law of heating formula, H is equal to I square RT. Then we calculated the potential difference across the resistance. Now we will do another question. An electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours a day. एक रेफ्रिजरेटर है वो 8 hours पर डे ऑपरेट करता है. उसकी पावर कितनी है, 400 वाट. Find the cost of energy in a month of 30 days given 1 kilowatt hour has 3 rupees. The cost of 1 kilowatt hour energy is 3 rupees. Then we have to find the total cost of 30 days. Now we have given power and we have given time, so we can calculate the energy. We know power is equal to energy upon time. So from here we can find the value of energy. Energy is equal to power into time. Power is given 400 watt, time is given 8 hours and total 30 days. This is for 1 day and total days are 30 days. So this comes out to be 8, this is 240, and this will comes out to be 96,000. This comes out to be watt hour. It has units watt and time is given in hours, so it will come out to be watt hour. Converting it into kilowatt hour, we get 96 kilowatt hour. So the total energy comes out to be 96 kilowatt hour. Now the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 3 rupees. So total cost of 96 kilowatt hours comes out to be 96 into 3, 8 and 288 rupees. So total cost comes out to be 288 rupees. So what we done is that first we calculated the total amount of energy, which comes out to be 96 kilowatt hour, and now we know that the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 3 rupees. So the total cost will come out to be 288 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Now we do another question. A circuit is given. In the hexagonal form. Suppose this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. We have to find the equivalent resistance between A and B. The similar question which we did in the last lecture. Now we know that from A there are 2 wires, one going here and the another this. So this is our first wire and this is our second wire. Now we can find the equivalent resistance of the first wire and the equivalent resistance of second wire, and from that we can find the total equivalent resistance between A and B. Now R1 comes out to be 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 ohm, and R2 comes out to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 ohm. Now both are in parallel. So total comes out to be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, which comes out to be 6, 2 plus 1, 3 by 6. So resistance comes out to be 6 by 3 is equal to 2 ohms. So did you understand how we have calculated the total resistance between A and B? First we calculated the equivalent resistance between R1 and R2. Then we do the parallel combination formula. So the total resistance comes out to be 6 by 3 is equal to 2 ohms. Now we will do another question. समझ आ रहा है ना आपको ये कैसे कर रहे हैं हम? क्या कि 4 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस हमें 12 वोल्ट दिया गया है, ठीक है, 10 मिनट्स के लिए। थ्रू अब एक बल्ब है उसमें से 4 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो कर रहा है 10 मिनट्स के लिए। हमने क्या फाइंड करनी है, एनर्जी फाइंड करनी है। अब हमें पता पावर इज इक्वल टू एनर्जी अपॉन टाइम, है ना। पावर क्या होता है, एनर्जी अपॉन टाइम। तो एनर्जी क्या आ गया, पावर इंटू टाइम आ गया। अब हमें पता पावर का क्या फॉर्मूला था, P इज इक्वल टू वोल्टेज इंटू करंट। तो क्या आ गया, V इंटू आई इंटू टी। सो एनर्जी कम्स आउट टू V इंटू आई इंटू टी। सो यहाँ से हम एनर्जी निकाल लेंगे, कितना आ जाएगा, वोल्टेज 12 दी हुई है, करंट 4 दिया हुआ है, और टाइम इससे सेकंड्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे 10 मिनट्स को, क्या बन जाएगा, ये 600 सेकंड्स आ जाएंगे। तो कितना बन गया ये, 12 4 का 48 इंटू 600, दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 8 288 100 joules. Again checking, yeah, this is correct. So it comes out to 228.8 kilojoules. This is the energy. So I hope you understood all these questions. And one more thing I want to tell you, that which device we use to find the potential difference in the circuit or in across any resistance. This is voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage. Measure voltage, and it is connected in the parallel. Measure voltage and connected in पैरेलल। और करंट को मेजर करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं एमीटर, एंड इट इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज। एमीटर मेजर्स करंट। ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि इन विच कॉम्बिनेशन वोल्टमीटर इज यूज्ड। जो वोल्टमीटर है हमेशा पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करते हैं। मेजर करंट एंड कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज। एमीटर सीरीज में कनेक्ट करते हैं, और जो वोल्टमीटर है इन पैरेलल। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दिस, एंड बाय दिस द चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट। एंड if you have any problem, you can tell in the comment. Thank you.